Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how to KYC or verify your 1xbet account. To achieve this, it's quite simple. Before we continue, I will advise you to create a professional 1xbet account. To achieve this, you go to registration, choose a registration method of your choice by phone, fill in your informations, then at the level of promo code, type Chelsea TV. This promo code gives you a 300% bonus at your first recharge, which implies that if you put in 10,000, you get 40,000. First, you're going to go to menu, then at the upmost left corner, you're going to click on the ID or personal profile. You're going to enter your different details, all the information asks you like surname, first name, date of birth. You're going to answer all of them and come back. Then you are going to link your email and phone number and the verification will be done.